If you like our content, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get alerts when we introduce new videos. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to configure a guest access wireless LAN using a shared password with the CommScope Ruckus Unleashed mobile app. By creating a guest wireless LAN, visitors to your organization can be allowed limited or unlimited access to your wireless network with configurable guest access policies. So to create a shared password WLAN, from the mobile app main menu, I would tap on the plus sign and I'm going to select the wireless LAN type. I'm going to select guest with shared password. Then I'll give the WLAN a name and I'm going to call it guest WLAN shared password just so we can differentiate the wireless LAN when we see it. Next, we would give a guest password and we'll put in a simple password. I can type on the eyeball to see what it is. And you can see that it's guest12345. We don't recommend that you do this for your own password, but it's a demo. Next, we can customize the guest portal by tapping on that. And if it's the first time, it'll give you a little menu here telling you what you can do. You can click to change the business logo, change the welcome message, change the forwarding URL, and change the terms of service. Okay, we'll click and say that we got it. So if I want to change the logo, I could tap on the top and I could either use the camera or I could choose an image. So I'm going to choose an image and I'm going to select an art picture and I'm going to crop that and I'm going to click on done. And that says the image is too big. So I'll go back and crop that again. And it allows me to crop that image. It has to be under 200 kilobytes, so that should work there. So I'll click done. So that gives my background under the welcome to guest Wi-Fi. If I wanted to change my welcome message, I could tap on edit and I'm going to say welcome to the Wlan Art Studio. And after I've typed that, I'll select done and then you can see that message. If I want to redirect people to a URL, I can tap on that. And I can edit that, and I'm just going to send them to the Ruckus CommScope website. And after I type it in, I'll click done, and you'll see that the URL shows up. Then I can hit save. Then if I want to set up some advanced features, I can tap on that. So my uplink rate is disabled, but if I wanted to set a particular upload speed, I could do that. I'm just going to leave it disabled. For download speeds, I could do the same thing. I could select the speed that I wanted to on that. For my radios, I could either turn on or turn off the 2.4 to 5 gigahertz radio. Then we have application recognition and control. This is off by default. If you want to see what applications are being used on this WLAN, you could turn that on. So we're going to go ahead and turn that on. And the final thing is my service schedule. By default, it's always on, but if I want to customize it and put in a particular Monday through Friday, let's say 9 to 5 p.m., and I didn't want people coming to my parking lot using my Wi-Fi at night, I could do that as well. But I'm just going to go ahead and leave the default that we have. So we'll put that always on. Then we're ready to select done to create the WLAN. And it'll say creating WLAN. And it says that the WLAN was created successfully. Okay, we can go back and tap OK. So here you can see the WLAN, guest WLAN shared password. If I wanted to edit that, I could go to that. I could tap on the pencil in the upper left. If I wanted to make some changes, I'm not going to do that. If I wanted to disable that network, I could select the next button over. The trash can would delete it and the curved arrows will refresh that network. So at this point, my guest wireless LAN with a shared password has been created. Now what I'm going to do is put on my client hat and log into that and show you what happens. So the first thing I would do on my client is I would go to my settings and I would search for the WLAN that I just created. And we can see it. It's called guest WLAN shared password. I'm going to tap on that. And that takes me to my login portal and you'll see it says welcome to the Wlan Art Studio. And it has my picture there, and then it says connect to the Wi-Fi by the guest pass, and that's the guest pass that we put in. That was our shared password. So I'm putting in my guest password, and I'm typing on accept and connect. And that redirects me and takes me to the CommScope website. So as you can see, setting up a WLAN with a shared password with the mobile app is very easy to do.